Well, it's another Maiden time. What do we got? A FMS Cessna 182 Skyline. What a nice kit. What a fun kit put together. Really is. Very scale. Very nice. A little bit of mini wax is a must. Keeps it nice and shiny and white for a while. Beautiful setup too for the battery. Usually fly smart packs, but today I just put a 3000 in it, and they have the little balance nubs right here, so very easy. Cool pilot, cool cockpit, nice place for a camera, like no one's done that before. But such a beautiful that's my with my own ESC. That's an avian with a little braking action, but it's so smooth, that prop alone. Oh, and since it came with the no steering servo separated, so we're trying the AS3X Plus nose gyro for taxiing. See how that works out. So yeah, let's send her. Landing lights. She's a beauty. Okay. Left, right, up, down, left, right.
Landing flaps, takeoff flaps, throttle cut off.
Let's try to taxi a little bit with that nose gear. Gyro. Oh, nice. That's pretty nice. Huh. Well, let's just go for it. Wow.
Flaps up.
All right, no trim? Wow, that doesn't happen often. Oh, wow. Well, yeah, what did I expect? It's a Cessna high wing. A little bit up. I do have the AS3X going. It's keeping it pretty steady. Try to slow it down.
Landing flaps.
All right.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try stall speed to see what the stall is like. All right, let's try the stall. Oh wow. Oh, freaking Cessnas. Jeez. Oh, that's crazy. Just slightly dips the wing and that's it. Yeah. Well, let's see how she lands.
Takeoff flaps.
There you go.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
All right. Wow, love this thing.
Throttle cut on.